Just another day in the office, huh, Donnie?
Good morning.
It's not morning.
It's
4 o'clock.
It feels like morning.
It has been a crazy week, or how long has it been? It's been like a week or something. So we just had the LZ Invitational. It went amazing, absolutely amazing. And I hope you guys liked the video. I hope a lot of you guys probably saw content from it from somebody at least. But we are leaving tomorrow, so we have like a buffer day. It's been raining all day, but I want to get a video out, so we're gonna film something.
We gotta get a video out. We gotta do something. We gotta go somewhere.
Been editing all morning, cleaning up, but now we got to get to work.
We gotta blow something up, blow donuts in something.
What about you, Tony? What do you think?
6 days.
Six? Why is he counting on his fingers?
Go check this out. Sam it?
We could have just blamed it all on Sam.
We should have.
Blamed what on me?
Don't worry about it.
The truck in the grass.
So Ant went to go take the truck to go get some lunch. He calls me. He goes, "Oh man, James, I messed up. I come outside." You haven't seen it yet.
My first time seeing it, it doesn't look good.
So instead of backing my truck out, he decided to pull forward.
You couldn't get through that here?
Dude, it was.
You had to pull this with another truck?
Yes.
Why? How?
Dude.
It was just spinning.
It was just. It was such a mess. I was mortified.
Time out. I have questions.
Yeah.
Was there the truck like blocking it or something? Behind you?
The truck was parked exactly right here.
Yeah, I can see that.
Car right here, truck right here. I was like, I'll just go around, pick Sam it up. We'll drive off.
No, but could you have backed up the truck?
Yeah. Forward easier. Go around, pick Sam it up.
Well, he learned a valuable lesson.
We're in the swamp, we're in Florida, and it just rained.
Never again. So if you guys see this in the background of LZ's, DJ, you're in white shoes. You're such an idiot. Okay, you're no better than he is. If you guys see this in the background of LZ's videos, just know. Ant left his signature. Come on. Come on. Come on. Is there a choke on this thing?
The mini truck might have broke. It smells hella flooded.
Looks like Tony broke that too.
You can blame me.
All right, well, on to the next part of the day. As you guys know, I have both my cars on here, and we're supposed to be leaving for Florida, well, right now. But I came up with an idea that sounded a lot more fun than packing everything up and going back up to CT in the cold, where we'd put the cars away for the winter, and they wouldn't probably be out till April or May when the roads aren't salty anymore. So I talked to Adam, and he's actually allowing me to leave both cars down here, which will allow me to have a great excuse to come back to Florida, enjoy the great weather, and, well, enjoy the cars. So I can come down when there's another drift event, and I have a car to now drive around when I'm here and enjoy, because if I bring this stuff home, I won't touch it. It'll literally be sitting there for months, and I'd rather have it here. I brought a bunch of parts down for the S15, so I have some mods I could do here. I still got to tune it, and I don't know. It sounds like an amazing idea. So for now, I booked us all our flights. We're gonna fly back home, leave everything here, come back after the holidays, and just get back into it. So, what do you think, Donnie?
About this or about that?
The idea.
I like it. You just got to control yourself a little bit and just know you have 2 cars, so you can't buy 2 more cars because then we'll run out of room.
Oh man, you saw right through my plan. Look how happy Tony is because he knows his car's gonna sit in the garage now.
He's like a cow in, a pig in. He's happy as a pig in shit.
S13 teardown coming soon.
Oh man, all right, well.
Maybe we'll bring Brian's car down here too.
But to prepare for that, let's get these things in storage and get them out of LZ's way. I love it so much. I don't know if you guys have seen this bay, but this is like the high-end storage bay, I'd call it. So it's kind of the overflow of all the cars. I don't know what these do. There we go, that was the switch. So a lot of Adam's cars are in here. You guys have seen all of these. Is this lens foggy? Oh my God. Florida's different. There we go, that's a lot better. His 34, his Chaser, and his yellow FD. Oh my God. One day, boys, one day. And there's more storage back here. This is where I'll be staying. So it looks like there is plenty of room for us, so I don't feel like I'm intruding. Nice. So this is the new home, but check this thing out, right? A pink S15. Kind of like it.
Is it real?
Is it real? So it's supposed to be a Yoshio factory car, and some people say it is, others say it isn't. Marco, is it? What do you say?
It says Yasho Factory on it.
It's got the sticker.
By others, who are you saying?
Yeah, so it's super cool. It's a, you know, it's a spec R, so it's got the SR 6-speed in it. So it looks like it has over fenders, but this is actually metal. So it looks like someone actually did some metal work here to give it a more defined arch in the rear, which is honestly pretty crazy. My mind, that thing has my mind twisted because it looks factory, and that definitely is not. Besides that, it definitely has some JDM styling for sure.
How about the trunk?
The trunk? DJ likes it.
I don't mind it.
You know who it reminds me of? What's the pink S2K in Fast and Furious?
The girls.
The girl's car. What was her name?
Saki,
Was that her name?
I think.
I feel bad that I don't know that.
We're uncultured.
But that's what this Ram looks like. It's kind of funny. Tony, you look great in that thing, buddy. I don't think black's the color. I think pink's the color for you.
Any color.
Yeah. You'll take any color?
Yeah.
Okay. S15s pull off any damn color, I'll tell you that.
Not wrong.
Turn this way.
Well, there she goes for her new home for a little while. I'm gonna be very upset not being able to see it in my shop, but I'm actually really excited to have the opportunity to come work on it down here and actually enjoy it throughout the winter instead of just staring at it.
It's all right. We'll just buy another car.
Shut up. Oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna miss you. And there's a snake.
Probably scared you. I'm not gonna lie.
I miss this so much. What was that?
I'm not gonna lie. I got in it before to bring it into the shop.
Yeah.
And I seen it like just sticking out a little bit.
That thing has scared me way too many times.
And I got a little startled.
Dude, look at this thing.
It looks so real.
It looks real.
I like that thing. Let's get rid of that. All right, so this will be their home for a little while now, not too long. I'll be back very shortly, but I'm very thankful and excited to have the opportunity. Oh, the lights are off. Marco, turn the lights back on. There we go. So very excited to have the opportunity. We'll be back very soon, and hopefully I could do some Florida drift events in the winter, get some more seat time because we need it, and actually enjoy the S15 because I don't want to just stare at this car. I really just want to drive it and get some miles per gallon out of that thing. So there she is. Let's clean up the rest of our mess and get on to the next thing. Lizzie, what do you think about me moving in?
I told you you're welcome to. I've been trying to get you to move here for like 3 years now. 7 likes. And you're moving.
7 likes.
I'll give you all 7 right now.
You're gonna make 7 accounts?
I'll give you all 7 right now.
Yo, Mike is heavy with the burner accounts.
You got the burner accounts? You're one of those guys? All right, we've been running around so much we haven't even had time to film anything, but we have a flight in a couple hours. Just gotta tidy up some loose ends before we head out. We gotta figure out where to cram these things. Marco, if you're watching this video, better not catch you with these things on your car. Do you know where the goons went?
No, I won't. Oh.
Michael?
What goons?
I'm using Mike's office as my part storage here, so.
Well, it's safe in here, along with the mess of my
Super stuff.
Sam.
Is this for sale?
These are actually, you
Is
need
this
that?
for sale? I actually need one of these.
Yeah, take it.
So,
Yeah, so we have some parts for my 15 here, so we can do some mods on it back, and then Mike has some super parts for me for my Supra that I'm never gonna buy from him.
No,
Come on, one day I'm gonna convince you.
no. We'll let it ride, but no.
No. I'm so happy you bought me a turbo wing for my white Supra that has no wing on it.
Yeah.
And you got me Gannon doors. Oh, these are gonna look so good, buddy. You got good taste. I knew I'd find you up here.
Hey man, what are you doing?
Trying to find you guys.
We're trying to cook. What are you doing?
Tony, what are you doing in there?
He's gonna be in there for a little bit, I think. His stomach. Oh.
Sammy, what the f are you doing?
He's working.
You working?
Yeah, TikTok working.
Nice.
No. Wait, do it with me, Sam. Put the song back on. You gotta do it to me and then pan to Sam. No, you have to put us both in the frame.
You are.
Play it back, Sam. It doesn't.
So the last couple days we've all been pretty busy. Adam's been real busy, so there hasn't been really too much to do around here. So I just wanted to film like a farewell to Florida video. I'm super excited to leave my cars here. We got a bunch of stuff planned for them to do here, so I have a really good excuse to come back, have some fun with the homies, and enjoy the Florida weather. So besides that, we're gonna catch a plane in about an hour, and we'll be good to go. Tony, you a little nervous, buddy? First time on a plane?
Not the first time, but yeah, I'm a little nervous. It's been a while.
Don't worry, DJ's got something you can take.
I got some medication. You're good. You'll be all right.
DJ, did you get searched? Did you get searched?
I always get pat down. Always.
Every time. Every time we travel.
Come on, look at him.
Look at him.
Unbelievable, man.
Every single time. Oh no.
Every time. Even the bag gets
Even the bag. What did you put in your bag?
Just right around the corner.
Oh, the PRP goodies.
Yeah.
We were worried about that.
I was like, oh, they're gonna think the PRP alternator bracket is gonna be like a shank or something. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
For choosing PSA, your #1 security provider today, all right? Yes,
Thank you.
Get pat down, bag search every time. James, you can vouch for me.
Every single time we travel. I love it. That's why I had the camera out, because I knew it was gonna happen.
Please come back.
Let's see a trick. Do a trick. Do a flip. You think you do a flip? Come on, you got it. See, he's gassing you up. You got it. Hurry up, please.
8 p.m. stocks. Please 30 through 55.
James, how was your flight experience?
I just want to let you know that DJ had an entire high leg room row to
I had
himself.
more room than the first class people.
And we were crammed in the back, and he never came back and got us to sit with him.
I was in the last row possible.
I was so
I was in
miserable.
the first row possible behind first class.
With double leg room. No one sitting next to you at all. Never came back and got us.
every seat empty.
Such a scumbag.
In my defense,
Thank you, Mr. Cole.
Thank you.
come on, Mr. Cole.
Next flight.
He's on another level.
Oh, he's different.
Off to CT, boys.
Oh, we're finally back.
It's beginning to.
Yeah.
It's the Grinch, I swear. Fucking hate Christmas.
Oh, shut up, you little brat.
What the hell is wrong with him?
So cold.
It's not cold out, it's nice out. You think Adam would have... He wouldn't have cared if we stayed another week. Or month.
Let's get back ASAP. House coming soon.
And we're back.
Welcome back, Jim.
I'm excited, dude. I miss my shop heavily, besides the fact that it's a freaking mess. We tore this place apart the last couple days before we left, but Tony's got to drive the mini truck since I'm taking the Corolla, and we found out that the running lights haven't... I did not know that the running lights or the brake lights have not worked since we had this truck.
Yeah, it's fine.
You've been... How did I not notice this?
I don't know. It's alright, I just tell the cops, you know, I downshift to slow down.
Oh yeah, does that work for you?
It helps.
Yeah.
I don't know, less wear on the brakes.
Oh yeah. Good excuse. This thing's simpler than a trailer. If they don't work, I don't know what the heck the deal is. Come on, we got running. Ooh, we got running lights, baby!
Brake lights?
Brake lights? No brake lights. Did you get the wrong bulbs? All right, looks like you're going with that downshift motto. So, we're back in CT, and I'm completely unprepared for Christmas, and I was hoping to get a good video up for you guys, but it looks like we might just be talking. I mean, there's a lot going on. Honestly, there was so much going on in here that I forgot all about it because I've been moving around for the last 3 weeks.
We got new merch dropping. You could talk about that.
That's what I want to talk about. So, check it out. If you guys saw at the competition, I was wearing a tee you guys probably have never seen before, and you probably want it because it's super dope. Show it off. There we go. That's the coupe one, but we actually have 2 more.
2 more flavors.
Go check it out.
Hey everyone, I'm here to talk to you about our new Vintage Oaks tees. These are going to be limited edition, which means once they're gone, they're gone. Just like all the JDM Legends cars, Ganondors, PlayStation 5s, and Beanie Babies, they're going to be overpriced and difficult to get in a few short years. So you better hop below, shop Jimmy O, and get yours now.
So the drop officially goes live Saturday, you guys. We have a very limited quantity of each shirt, so if you want one, better hop on it quick. Shop below Jimmy O. And we also have some other new products, don't we?
Yeah, we got some cool stuff too.
I think we got some new leather keychains, which I'm super stoked about. Nice and classy, right? With the classic O on it.
Nice quality.
Handmade in America by our buddy John Ludwig. And then I think besides that, we just have re-up on a lot of other pieces, and we have the holiday O. Of course, it's Christmas time, and we don't miss any of the holidays with our signature O. And I think RJ has them in his office.
They're out on my packing table.
Okay, let's go to the packing table.
All right, the packing table. Oh, there they are.
So Sammy killed it with the Christmas Kano. I love these things.
Per
These are
usual.
super gas. So we're a little late to the party on these, but if you guys want to cop one for Christmas of 2021, here we go. Once they're gone, they're gone. Add to the collection.
A lot of candy cane design. Sammy kills it on these.
Don't miss out, Christmas 2021.
Commemorative.
So I wanted to make some interesting videos today, but I realized that we're all pretty shot. We have a lot to do later today. Everything's a huge mess, but Corolla, I know that's where we left off before to Florida. That one is seeming this is gonna be a long-term project. There's a lot of ducks that need to align in the correct row to make that happen, and I just wanted to get that thing ready for spring. I wish I could be like real quick with it for you guys, but it's gonna be a slow background project. But I'm trying to figure out what we get into next, what we should tidy up, or what other project we should kind of bounce back into. So let me know what you guys think in the description, because I would obviously love to hear it from you guys. So we got a lot we could do, we got a lot going on, but what do you guys want to see first? I mean, it is winter time, so it is build mode, right, Steve?
Build mode for
So
sure.
we're ready to wrench, ready to get back to work and get some cars back together. We still got to get the Black Z color corrected so we can get the kit back on, because we got the kit back from paint, if you guys didn't see. We got the JDM front bumper sitting here, fresh painted, nice and pretty, and the side skirts to match. So I'm really excited to see with this all on. It's going to completely change the car. So we have quite a few things to look forward to, and we actually have something really big happening next week, which some of you guys might really like, and some of you guys might really hate. But either way, I'm excited, and so be it. We had the Kooky back from PRI, which is nice to see it made it back in one piece.
This was safely.
It's still crazy to think that this thing was in the show, and it was an awesome experience. And shout out to everyone who posted it on their story, because I think I saw 1.5 million Instagram tags of this car.
Yeah.
And it was dope to see you guys out there. So I don't know, Steve. We have some Christmas shopping to do, so I think we might have to cut it short today.
Let's go to the stores.
Let's go to the store. So, but we had an amazing time in Florida. It's been a few weeks now of just running around, and your boy is brain dead. I need a quick reset, but we will get back to it. And I appreciate you guys watching, and you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys very shortly.